I bought my first stock. Like, call me Warren Buffett, call me Bill Gates, call me Jeff Bezos, call me Mbanya, because I bought my first stock and I'm so excited. I feel so rich right now. There's nothing you can tell me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I bought my first stock in the Lusaka stock market. Hi, my name is Lou and I make finance videos for beginners. I'm not a licensed certified financial advisor. I'm just sharing my journey on my personal finance. So if that's something that interests you, please feel free to subscribe. And in this video, I'm just going to be telling you about my first stock. I bought my first stock. I only bought stock in one company. So I'm still doing my research on how to pick stock, if picking stock is even okay. Because just recently I was reading about how it's better to put your money in an S&P 500, something like that. But I don't know if we have that in Zambia. But I do know we have equity funds and they might be a bit similar to what an S&P 500. I stand to be corrected. And if you know what the difference is, please let us know in the comment section so we can learn from you. Yeah, so I could have easily like bought equity instead, or like put the money in an equity fund, which is them, I guess, buying stock on your behalf-ish. I don't know. This is investing for beginners from somebody who's not even licensed. So I'm not even going to explain these terminologies correctly because I'm just shooting in the dark and sharing my journey with you guys. But anyway, back to the story. So I bought my first stock. If you're new to investing like I am, a lot of people will tell you, oh, stocks is the way to grow your wealth, is the way to grow your money, let your money work for you. The earlier you buy stock or equity and leave it alone, the more money you make later in future, yada, 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 yada. Okay, cool. So how do I pick a stock? I don't know. I honestly don't know. I bought the company that I bought in because it was cheap. I don't even know if they'll make a profit or not. I was just buying because it's cheap. So without wasting much of your time, I will tell you. I bought stock in Klapton Re insurance. Now, if you're not new to the channel and you've been here for quite a bit, then you probably know that I am a data analyst in the insurance industry. So I sort of have an understanding of what a reinsurance company is like, especially Klapton Reinsurance, because I have seen their progress in the reports that we get, like financial reports that we get, which are even on the Lusaka Securities Exchange website, and you can read in your own time. So because I have an understanding of what insurance is like and what it's about, I was a bit more confident when I was purchasing this stock. But like I said earlier, the main reason I bought it is because it was super cheap. Today is the 14th of July, 2026, and Klapton Reinsurance is being sold at 0.35 ngwe, which is less than a 50 ngwe. So to all of you who are saying, I don't have money to invest in the stock market, I don't have money to buy shares, it's less than 50 ngwe. Are you telling me you don't have a 50 ngwe to buy one share? If it's still at 0.35, you lose nothing to just buy even 100 stock for now, because we don't know. If you don't trust it, just buy 100, which is like 35 kwacha. Yeah, and let it be. And I mean, it's 35 kwacha. You buy data for 30 kwacha, or you buy ice cream for 35 kwacha. So just buy, or even a skirt, pasalaola. So rather than doing that, just buy Klapton Reinsurance. This is not financial advice, by the way. It's not. I'm just saying buy for the vibes and see where it goes. Make it an experiment if you want. And then later on in future, when the share price increases to like 5 kwacha, or when the dividends they are paying out are high, then you'd be like, wow, I wish I bought more when it was 0.3 and I watched Lou talk about it. But anyway, so you might be wondering, how much stock did I buy? I bought 14,600 shares. So I own part of Klapton Reinsurance. Yeah, so if they ever have like a dividend payout later in future and they are paying, let's say, 1 kwacha, since I have 14,600 shares, that means they're going to give me 14,600 kwacha. If the dividend payout is 1 kwacha. I don't know when that would be, but hey, the day it will be. Wow. Another thing is I didn't use money that I needed there and then, because the thing with investing in shares is if you don't have an emergency fund, your shares will be your emergency fund. If you don't have money saved up, your shares will be your go-to money. So think of shares as, I'll use this in the next 20 years. So yeah, that's the mindset I had even when I was purchasing 14,600 shares. I was just like, you know what, this is money that I would only need like in 50 years or something. I don't know, like I was just, it's an experiment. It's an experiment. This whole 5 years, if you've watched my other video, I'm just doing a 5-year experiment with personal finance to see how far it can get me, you know, like trying to do an emergency fund, trying to do a retirement plan, trying to do shares, trying to make YouTube videos to make money from it for 5 years and see if it actually brings something out. I hope it does, and I hope you guys are watching the ads. So yeah, but it feels good. It feels good. I can walk around saying I own part of Klapton Re. Klapton Reinsurance. Yeah, if you're saying, oh, I don't have money to buy stock, just buy the cheapest one there. It's literally less than 15 ngwe. And I'm saying this now, or I'm making this video now, so that in 5 years or in 3 years, when the stock price, when the share price of Klapton Re goes up, you'll come back to this video and you'll be like, what? Lu bought at 0.35 and now the share price is 5 kwacha, and now they're paying dividends worth 2 kwacha. And you come back and you'll be like, oh my gosh, I wish I bought at that time. Well, it's too late. Well, it's not too late, at least as of today. It's not too late. So, you know, download the Luce app, make an account, and buy your shares. Personally, I used a broker. I don't know what the difference is between using a broker and buying off the app. Yeah, but you could use the app. I have friends who use the app all the time. So yeah, for now, I'm just doing it for the vibes and just to prove to myself that I can buy stock. Like a lot of these things is just to prove to myself that I can buy stock. It's not for the rich people. It's not for the bougie people, the bourgeoisie. No. It's for me and you. Okay. So yeah, you're talking to a future millionaire, potential millionaire with 14,600 stock. That's crazy. That's a lot. That's actually a lot. I paid what? 14,600 times 0.35. That's how much I paid. I think it was like 5,100. I think 5,100 or 5,000 something. So it was about 5,000 kwacha. So yeah, it's the beginning of my stock portfolio. I'm excited. I don't know if I'm going to continue though, because hey, 5 pin in stock. Hey. And they grow really slow. I would rather put that in an equity fund, if I'm being honest. But we'll see. If it does well, then I guess we'll continue. I don't know. So yeah, feels good. Feels good to own stock. I say this again. I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't listen to what I'm saying. This is just for vibes, for entertainment, and for record keeping, so that God willing, the share price goes up. We'll come back to this video and we'll be like, what? Her first stock of 5,000 kwacha is now worth 1 million kwacha. Just to summarize the video, because I noticed I was all over the place. Number one, I was celebrating the fact that I bought my first stock. The company I bought was Klapton Reinsurance. I bought stock worth 5,000 kwacha, meaning I have 14,600 kwacha, because the current share price as of today, 14th July 2026, is 35 ngwe. Yeah. And yeah, I plan on holding the stock for the next 25 years. And I hope it goes up. If it goes down, that would be very, very bad. But I hope it goes up. Yeah. And the takeaway for you, you don't need a lot of money to buy stock, because the share price is literally 35 ngwe. surely you can buy something. Even if it's 100 shares, that's 35 kwacha. You would be good. So before it goes up, before the share price goes up, just buy it for the vibes. Like, but again, don't take this advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just, doing entertainment, making my little YouTube videos, making my money, you know what I'm saying? Also, I feel like this whole video is more towards the younger folk watching me. If I feel like if you're older, maybe shares wouldn't be the best option, or at least not this kind of arrangement, because shares need time for them to, yeah, and for you to see your money. Now if you're in like a retirement age or close to retirement age, I don't know, maybe it might take longer. In that situation, I feel like it would be nice to get proper financial advice from an actual legal financial advisor. There are different people who offer financial advice. They're a bit pricey, but I mean, if you want to put your money in check, then I think it's okay. After all, you make more money. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. Please feel free to subscribe if you like the vibe or if you want to come along my finance journey. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.